brings clarity to us. It doesn't matter in what stage of life you are, what aspect of life you're addressing. You can deal with them sensibly. Only if you have ability to see it the way it is, seeing things the way they are, seeing everything the way it is clarity. So what you actually value is not light, it is the clarity that it brings. Only when we remove the cobwebs of our prejudice, only when we remove the veil of ignorance within us, the new
आदरणीय शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे सहपाठियों, शुभ दीपावली। मेरा नाम दीपिका गौतम है। मैं कक्षा 7वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके समक्ष दीपावली के बारे में कुछ बताऊंगी। दीपावली कार्तिक माह के अमावस्या को मनाई जाती है। यह 5 दिन का त्योहार होता है और यह दीपों का भी त्योहार होता है, क्योंकि इस दिन श्री राम अपना 14 साल का वनवास खत्म करके आए थे और उसी की खुशी में अयोध्या वासियों ने उनका दीप जलाकर स्वागत किया था। उसी दिन से इसे दीपावली के रूप में लोग मनाने लगे। दीपावली अधर्म और धर्म के भी प्रतीक है, क्योंकि श्री राम ने अधर्मी रावण का वध भी किया था। यह त्योहार वैज्ञानिक पहलू भी है, क्योंकि जाड़े के समय में कीड़े मकोड़ों की संख्या बहुत बढ़ जाती है, तो सफाई और दीपों की रोशनी से उनकी संख्या धीरे धीरे कम होने लग जाती है, जिससे एक स्वच्छ वातावरण बनता है। इसके अतिरिक्त श्री कृष्ण ने नरकासुर नामक राक्षस का भी वध किया था एवं दीपावली के दिन ही महावीर स्वामी का निर्वाण दिवस भी होता है। इन्हीं कारणों की वजह से हम दीपावली मनाते हैं। दीपावली में लोग पटाखे भी जलाते हैं, लेकिन इस बार पूरे विश्व में कोरोना का प्रकोप छाया हुआ है और लोगों को सांस लेने में भी बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है। तो हम ये प्रण लेते हैं कि हम दीपावली में पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे और अपने वातावरण को स्वच्छ रखेंगे, ना कि प्रदूषित। शुभ दीपावली, धन्यवाद।
Good morning all of you. I am Vinisha Ran of class 8th and I am going to represent a presentation on Diwali festival. Diwali or Deepavali is known as the festival of light. It is the most important festival of Hindu religion people. In India, it means the awareness of inner light. On this day, people decorate their houses with diyas, candles, rangolis and wear new clothes. They meet with each other, gift each other and exchange sweets. On this day, children love to burn crackers, but burning firecrackers causes health problem and increases the amount of population in the atmosphere. So let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali, and following are the main steps. Save electricity consumption. We use diyas, candles instead of electricity lights, and it will be in lesser use. Use fewer firecrackers. Diwali without crackers is no interested, especially for children. So we should use fewer crackers. Reduce plastic use. Diwali, people loves to do shopping, and it will lead the increased amount of plastic wax. Organic rangoli colors. We should use organic rangoli color instead of that synthetic color. दिवाली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Good evening. My name is Gauri Gautam. I am from class 4. My school name is Delhi High School. Today I am going to tell you a poem on Diwali. With happiness to all and sorrow to none, the festival of light Diwali has come. The streets shine with candlelight, the festive lamp to all delight. Thank you. Happy दीपों का त्योहार दिवाली आई है, खुशियों का संसार दिवाली आई है। घर आंगन सब नया सा लगता है, नया नया परिधान सबको फबता है। नए नए उपहार दिवाली लाई है, खुशियों का संसार दिवाली लाई है। शुभ दीपावली।
8वीं से अभिनीशा राणा आपके समक्ष एक गाना प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है दिया जले। दिया जले देखो आई दिवाली है, सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है। दिया जले देखो आई दिवाली है, सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है। कि अंधन से माँ लक्ष्मी घर को भरने वाली है। दिया जले देखो आई दिवाली है, सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है। जय हो माँ लक्ष्मी माँ, जय हो माँ लक्ष्मी माँ। कोई लाए मिठाई कोई प्यार लाए, कोई अपनों के लिए उपहार लाए। कोई लाए मिठाई कोई प्यार लाए, कोई अपनों के लिए उपहार लाए। आज खुशियों से लहराती, आज खुशियों से लहराती मन की डाली है। दिया जले देखो आई दिवाली है, सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है। जय हो माँ लक्ष्मी माँ, जय हो माँ लक्ष्मी माँ। मैं तो लक्ष्मी गणेश जी का पूजन करूं, श्रद्धा के पुष्प चरणों में अर्पण करूं। मैं तो लक्ष्मी गणेश जी का पूजन करूं, श्रद्धा के पुष्प चरणों में अर्पण करूं। कहते पूजा माँ की महिमा, कहते पूजा माँ की महिमा बड़ी निराली है। दिया जले देखो आई दिवाली है, सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है। दिया जले देखो आई दिवाली है, सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली।
everyone, my name is Shaish Paswan. I am studying class 4. Today I am making a video on Happy Diwali, which happens to all and sorrow to none. The festival of lights, Diwali, has come. The streets shine with candles light. The festival lights to all delight. Happy Diwali to all. Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you all a very happy.
Good morning, my name is Arpit. Today I am going to tell you about Diwali. Diwali is a great festival. It is a festival of Hindus. It is a festival of light. It takes place in the month of October and November. On this day, Lord Rama come back from exile of 14 years. So it is the day of joy and prayer. People get up early on this day. They clean their houses. Some whitewash them. Everything looks lovely on this day. Children were very happy. They wear new clothes. The shops are full. There is rush in market. People buy sweets, toys, and other things. The night comes and people burn candles. Children play fireworks and people pray of Goddess Lakshmi at night. Thank you.
Hi. Hello. Happy Diwali. Same to you. How are you? I am very happy. What about you? Same here. Let's go. Where are we going? We are going to buy crackers. Yay! We will burn it together. Oh no, not again. What happened? I want to burn crackers. Don't you know what happened last Diwali? No. Because of burning cracker, this certainly make people hard to breathe. And if we burn one cracker, this affects all the people. And this may attack people and humans. Then why do we burn crackers? We can celebrate Green Diwali without crackers. Yeah, you are right. We will all celebrate Green Diwali. Say no to crackers. Happy Diwali. Thank you.
चले देखो आई दिवाली है सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है दिया जले देखो आई दिवाली है सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है कि अंधन से माँ लक्ष्मी घर को भरने वाली है दिया जले देखो दिवाली आई है सबके मन में तो छाई खुशहाली है जय हो माँ लक्ष्मी माँ जय हो माँ लक्ष्मी माँ कोई लाए मिठाई कोई प्यार लाए कोई अपनों के लिए उपहार लाए कोई लाए मिठाई कोई प्यार लाए कोई अपनों।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम तानशी है। मैं कक्षा 6ठी की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के सामने कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरी कविता का नाम है दीपावली की कविता। खुशियों की है आई है दिवाली, नाचो घूमो गाओ रे, रंग बिरंगे लाओ खिलौने फुलझड़ियाँ जलाओ रे, अंधकार को दूर भगाओ लाओ घर में खुशहाली, मन का मयूरा नाचे बोले हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली, बोले हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली रे। हुआ वेलकम राम लला जब वापस घर को आए रे, हर सारी अयोध्या ने सबने मिलकर दीप जलाए रे। हुआ वेलकम राम लला जब वापस घर को आए रे, हर सारी अयोध्या सबने मिलकर दीप जलाए रे। मन का मयूरा नाचे बोले हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली, बोले हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली रे। धन्यवाद।
Teacher, today I am going to giving a speech why Diwali is celebrated. Diwali is celebrated when the Lord Rama defeated Lord Ravana with the help of Lakshman and Hanuman and come their home at Ayodhya. At Ayodhya, the people of Ayodhya was very happy to see their king Lord Rama. So they light diyas, burst crackers, etc. and sharing sweet with themselves, etc. They do when in Diwali. So that is why Diwali is celebrated. Thanks for listening my speech. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pushkar. I study in 6th class. My topic is Diwali. Diwali is the Indian festival of lights, usually lasts 5 days and celebrated during the Hindu lunar month Kartika between mid-October and mid-November. Diya, Diyo, Deepam. Deepik is a oil lamp usually made from clay with a cotton wicks dipped in ghee or vegetable oils, diyas and wet into Indians soup, home tables and often used in Hindu, Sikh, Jain and religious festivals such as Diwali or the Kuchi secondary. Grace, diyas and after temporaries us lighting for special operation while diyas made of plants commemorate pictures in house and temples.
Sahil Khan. I am preparing some lines on Diwali. Diwali or Diwali is an Indian religion festival. It is victory of good over evil. People celebrate Diwali across the world for different reasons and occasions. The lighting of diyas, candle and bursting of cracker is a part of Diwali celebration.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Shankar and I am studying on class 4. My school name is Delhi High School. Today I am going to recite a poem of Diwali. With happiness to all and sorrow to none, the festival of lights Diwali has come. The streets shine with candles, light the festive lamp of all lights. Thank you. Happy Diwali. Good morning all of you. My name is Tanshi. Today I am going to speak few lines in Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. We children burst crackers and make rangolis. People celebrate Diwali by exchanging gifts and sweets. We do not burst crackers because it makes pollution in our environment. People also burn diyas and candles. Diwali is my favorite festival because it brings happiness and joyfulness. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
My name is Anish. I study in 7th class. Today I am writing a poem on Diwali. With the happiness to all and swear to not the festival of light, Diwali has come. The streets shine with candle light. The festival of lamp to all of delight. Thank you. Happy Diwali to all of you.
Diwali and Diwali is an Indian religious festival. People celebrate Diwali across of the world for different reasons and occasions. The lighting of diyas and bursting of crackers and candles is a part of Diwali celebration. Diwali and Diwali is celebrated not only along Hindu community but also by people of other religions. Thank you.
Saraswati. Today I am going to tell you about on the topic of Diwali. Diwali is a Hindu festival that known as the Festival of Lights. This festival is usually last days for 5 days and is celebrated during the Hindu month of Kartika. The festival symbolizes the imperial victory of light over darkness. In India, Diwali is also known as Deepavali. Happy Diwali. Thank you, ma'am, for listening my. Ma'am, I am Akshat from class 8. Today I am going to tell you a poem on Happy Diwali. With happiness to all and sorrow to none, the festivals of light of Diwali has come. The streets shine with candles of light. The festival lamps to all delight. Happy Diwali.
My name is Ayushi. I am from 5th class. Today I am going to recite a poem on Diwali. Diwali is here, that great festival of sound, when crackers and lights abound. When crackers and sparkles light up the sky, when delight children jump and joy. Wishing you and your family very happy Diwali. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka. I am from class 5th. I am recite a poem on Diwali. The smell of flowers, the array of colors. Diwali is here, firecrackers are here, candles are lit, children's play, presents are given, we pray to the gods. Diwali is here, Thank you.
Make so many on one as smile when you can be someone or that when you can love them be good that when you have
Good morning all of you. My name is Karat. I study in class 6. My topic is Diwali. Diwali is a happy festival of India. It is also known as Deepavali, means rows of lighted lamps. This festival celebrated in the month of October or November. Every year Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya on this day. He lived in exile for 14 years. When he came back to Ayodhya, people lighted lamps. The people were very happy on his return. They did not sleep for whole night on this day. When Diwali comes, people decorate their houses, shops with colorful lamps, rangolis, flowers, etc. They prepare sweet dishes to eat and distribute them relatives and friends. Diwali is 5 days long festival. It begins with the first day known as Dhanteras or Dhantriyodashi. This day is celebrated as the teacher and the father of Ayurveda. The second day is Narak Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. On this day, people wake up early and apply aromatic oils on them for taking bath. The third day is the main Diwali festival, Lakshmi Puja is performed on this day. The fourth day is Govardhan Puja or Padwa. On this day, people make up small high log, usually of cow dung, symbolizing Govardhan and worship. It. The fifth last day is Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters pray for their brothers long and happy life. Diwali is a holy festival. We must not do anything wrong on this festival. We express love to all. Diwali is the festival of love, unity and happiness. Thank you. Happy
The first disadvantage of firecrackers is small. The harsh index has not even arrived. but the air of the capital city has been filtered. According to the stats, 30% of the smog has been uprised only due to burning of the cracker. So the second disadvantage of burning firecrackers is fire accidents. Be it in Faridabad or Kerala, a small spark is enough to set the full factory on a place, a whole region, and the accident could damage the property in plain light. So the next disadvantage of burning crackers is garbage. Forget PM Modi's Bharat Swachh Abhiyan. But would you like to see the garbage on the streets when you wake up on the occasion of Diwali? Crackers not only not contaminating the air but also produces garbage. So the large disadvantage of burning crackers is harmful gases in the air. Crackers often contain elements like copper, chromium, sulfur, aluminium and barium. To produce the vibrant color once ignited, the harmful gases produce the bursting of crackers, such as nitrous oxide, remains in the air for a long time if the city doesn't get enough rain or strong wind inhaling the fumes emitted by firecrackers increase the chances of asthma attack among patients hurt and patients of low immune system are at higher risk. Why can we restrain ourselves from burning crackers on this Diwali?
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to deliver my speech on Diwali. Diwali is one of India's biggest and main festival. The meaning of Diwali is rose lighted lamps. This festival is of light. Hindus celebrate it with very much enjoy. In this festival, people light up their houses with diyas. People worship Lord Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Diwali is the most likely the brightest festival in the world. People who various religions celebrate Diwali. Most significant that this festival signifies the victory of good over evil and knowledge other ignorance. There are bright lights all over the whole country. During Diwali, in my speech on Diwali, we will know the religions and spiritual importance of it, the religion value of Diwali, the religion's importance of this festival that has many differences. It varies from one region to other region in India. There is a link up to many cities, cultures and traditions with Diwali. The reason for this difference is possibly local harvest festival. Therefore, there was a wealth festival. Therefore, there was wealth festival of this harvest festival into one pan-Hindu festival. Finally, to sum it up, Diwali is a great joyful event in India. One cannot visualize the delightful contribution of this glorious festival. Diwali is surely one of the greatest festivals in the world. Thank
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
all of you. My name is Jivesh. I am from class 6. Today I say one paragraph topic Diwali. Diwali is one of the biggest festivals observed in India. It is celebrated among Hindus as Festival of Lights. This festival is celebrated for ages when Lord Ram arrived in Ayodhya after killing Ravan. People were filled with joy to welcome their king, and the entire city was decorated with lights. There was a mood of celebrations every year, and a variety of sweets and other delicious recipes were made. Even today we celebrate this occasion with the same spirit. Even today people decorated their house and welcome Goddess Lakshmi, wife of Ram. Ram and Sita were two characters of Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi on earth. People also wish their near and dear ones and other sweets and make their celebration more special. Thank you. Happy Diwali, all of you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sanskriti Rana. I study in class 7. My school name is Delhi Heights School. Today, I am going to represent a role play with my brother and sister, where I will play the act of Rima, and they were my two friends.
Guys, there will be a Diwali party at my home, and my father will brought so many crackers, and my mother will make the best sweets in the world.
Listen up, listen up. Something is getting too wrong in these days. Rima is so sad.
Let's ask her. Rima, tell us your Diwali plans.
No thanks.
Hey guys, we should talk to us.
Rima, is anything wrong with you?
No, just go away. I want to be alone.
Rima, you don't trust us?
Actually, my mother...
Mother?
What do you mean?
My mother is at the hospital. That's why there will be no Diwali celebration at all. Every time my mom in Diwali put some laltens and make the best sweets in the world. But this time there will be dark and alone Diwali for me.
No, Ashima, you won't. I have a plan.
You both are here?
Yes, we both are here to make your Diwali happy, and we will decorate your home and clean your home.
Okay, so what are you waiting for? Thank you so much, everybody. I have never enjoyed a Diwali as much as I today. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Vidansh. My name is Anushka. Today we will tell a song on Diwali. Diwali is here. Diwali is here. Happiness arrives. Happiness is here. Diyas lighted in every house. Rangoli pattern in every house. Diwali is here. Diwali is here. Happiness arrives. Happiness is here. Decorations on every door. Tiny stars are shining bright. Diwali is here. Diwali is here. Happiness arrives. Happiness is here. Thank you. Happy Diwali. And don't but practice.
I am Shreya from class 8, and today I am going to tell you about the Diwali festival. So, Diwali is the season to celebrate with joy and cheer. It was the day when King Rama destroyed the evil forces and reached home to a rousing welcome by his subjects. Diwali has long been associated with bursting crackers, which is not in the true spirits of the festival. The main motive of the festival is to spread happiness with your family and neighbors. Festivals have been made to reinforce strong bonds between families and friends, and Diwali is the best example of this. Everyone goes home for Diwali and celebrates it with their families. It is a national holiday, so everyone enjoys the festival without worrying about work. It gets more exciting at night because lots of sky lanterns are released into the air that flies high and light up the night sky. Diwali teaches us to be the patience for good things in life. Thank you.